Hi, today I'm going to show you what your screencast for your Holocaust research project should look like. So you're going to talk over it using one of the screencasting apps. I would suggest Screencast-O-Matic. So you're going to have your title slide, and then your first slide is an overview. My topic is Kristallnacht, or it's also referred to as the Night of Broken Glass, and it started on November 9th, 1938, in response to the assassination of a German official. By the end of Kristallnacht, hundreds of buildings were destroyed and many Jewish people lost their lives. So after giving the overview, I'm going to transition to my evidence. So here's my first note card. On the night of November 9th, 1938, violence across Jews broke out across the Reich. In 2 days, over 250 synagogues were burned, over 7,000 Jewish businesses were trashed and looted, dozens of Jewish people were killed, and Jewish cemeteries, hospitals, schools, and homes were looted while police and fire brigades stood by. And that's from the United States Holocaust Memorial Museum. I have a picture on the right showing some of the after effects of Kristallnacht, showing some of that broken glass. And now I'm going to give you some of my thoughts. So for this part, you're going to give information on your from the summary and my thoughts section of your note cards. So I would say something along the lines of this. In response to the assassination of a German official by a Jewish teenager, an unplanned riot spread throughout Germany with Jewish businesses and places of worship being targeted. The German police force not only allowed the people to destroy buildings and cemeteries, but to kill any Jewish people who resisted. The anger towards the victims of Kristallnacht seems to be misplaced. While their frustrations over the assassination is understandable, those that were hurt here had no part in that assassination. And it really shows how German people were looking for an outlet to anger that they had, and how quickly one act can lead to a deadly riot. Considering what happens after World War I and the reparations Germans had to pay, the German people were hurting, and they were looking for a scapegoat, and Hitler gave them that in the Jewish people in Germany and the countries surrounding Germany as well. So at this point, I would transition to my second note card and talk about my thoughts and analysis of that and so on until the last note card. And then you go to your concluding slide where you could wrap things up. Here I have my works cited page where I have my 3 sources in alphabetical order to show what I used or what I could have used for my research project.